What I want to show you today is how quickly you can make a video for your business from scratch. We're going to use Pictory Automated Video Creator, where you just paste your script in, hit go, it creates the video, you're done. And then we're also going to get our content from Article Forge. And what you do is I'll just type in the keywords here, and it's going to be hiring a office cleaning company. And of course, you would put your own text in here, whatever you do, that would generate an article that would be relevant to your business. And we're going to need 500 words, but we're going to just do all this from scratch. And if you've got 10 minutes, you can create an article, or excuse me, not an article, but an article and a video for your business. And you're good to go. And these are professional videos that have voiceovers, music, and stock video. So they look great. And what I'll do is once I'm done here, I'll put the link. I'll go ahead and upload the video to YouTube, and then I'll set the video to private and then put the link below, in the description below. And you can get both of these products in the description. There'll be a link right to Article Forge and a link right to Pictory. Let's get started here. We got hiring an office cleaning company in here. Let's go down here and hit. And there's other, by the way, there's other options here, but we're going to hit create a new article. You can add videos and images to your article. We're just going to process a 500-word article. And what I'm going to already tell you right now is you're probably going to want to go through, take out some of the generic text, and put in your company name. So it'll have office cleaning company in there several times. Just go in there and change it to whatever your company name is, and then it personalizes the article. And the text will be really close to probably to what you do. You know, just say you're an office cleaning company. It'll match your industry very well in a generic sense. And then again, what we do over here is just paste the script here. We hit proceed, and it'll generate the video. Makes a great business video on the fly. If you don't have any, most people are in business are, they're involved in their business. They don't have time to make videos and do marketing. But if you've got 10 minutes, like I said earlier, you can jump in here, make a video, upload it to Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you market, and you've got a professional looking video made literally from scratch. And so right now we are about 75% into the article here, it looks like, and you can see it up here progressing. And I'll just pause the video for a second here while it's deploying here. And I want to say one other thing too. I've been in this business 20 years, and even 10 years ago, we didn't have this type of software. We literally had nothing to work with. We had to write our own copy. We had no stock videos whatsoever, and we had no pictures. So we had to literally do everything, from scratch, but we had to do it ourselves. It's actually a small miracle that this stuff's even available today for people to use. So we're just about done here. Article Forge is real affordable, and so is Pictory. I'm not sure what I pay for them, but I have unlimited articles in Article Forge. And I could do this literally all day long and never run out of articles. Just completely unlimited. And you can use these articles on Facebook, by themselves as text. Okay, so we got the article done here. Again, everywhere it says office cleaning company, I'm going to put Bob's office cleaning company. Just make it Bob's office cleaning. You got the N. You get the point here. Hiring Bob's office cleaning. Again, we're hiring Bob's office cleaning down here. And you'll see this in the video once I upload it. You'll be able to click link, and down here again, and just take out the generic terms, office cleaning, and down here we got Bob's Office Cleaning Services. That should do it right there. Okay, now let's save this. I'm going to copy it. It's copied to the clipboard as text. I'm going to paste it in here. Why don't we make this hiring Bob's Office Cleaning? Whoops. Let me start over with that. Here, let's just put hiring Bob's Office Cleaning. Always put a period after everything so that Pictory knows that's the end of the sentence. Except I won't do it there. And I typically misspell company for some reason. My fingers get ahead of me on the A. Okay. Hit proceed, and you'll see how quickly this is done also. And again, you just have to have a seed phrase, hiring an office cleaning company, hiring a roofing company, how to choose a med spa, whatever your business is. And again, I'll pause this while the video is being created. And boom, there it is. We've got, I'll just kind of buzz through the frames here, and you can see we've got stock video on all of these. Just awesome. And the stock video, it's all free. I mean, it's, you pay for have the program each month, but the stock video comes, in addition to your membership, and you've just got literally millions of videos that will work with your video. And what I do is I come over here, and I may change the music. There's 15,000 plus tracks available, but I'll also put a voiceover in here, and I typically use Matthew. You can kind of test these out. And that's it. What we do next is we hit generate, and within a few minutes, we'll have our video ready to download and then upload. And then the text file will come with it. The script that we put in there, you'll also be able to re-download that too. So anyway, again, I'm going to put the links in the description for both Pictory, the video creator, Article Forge, the artificial intelligence content creator. And then also I'm going to give you a free checklist of all the tools that most digital marketers use. And that'll be below. And that's free. You just click the link and it'll take you over to the Google spreadsheet that has all those tools in it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.